Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your Bianca Belletta Girls TV. Thank you for coming, thank you for tuning in. I really do appreciate. Hold on before we go for the review. Hold on please. Hold the peace, hold your peace, and your peace shall set you free. So as I was saying, my ladies and gentlemen in the house, yeah, allow me to put on some earrings to pop the look out, okay, so that the face will be shining and the face will be pronounced that much before we go for the review. Okay, in case you love this beautiful makeup over here, this makeup was done on my Facebook by Bianca Belletta Girls. Okay, that is the earring is popping out now. Since I was saying, thank you for coming in, thank you for stopping by. It's your baby girl Bianca Belletta Girls. Okay, before we go into this review, I want you to help me to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video out so that it will help queens that want to look good and want to know how she can get her hair and makeup and look so beautiful and gorgeous. So that is it. So everybody, welcome back. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your Bianca Belletta Girls. Today I'm going to be doing another unboxing of hair. In case you're interested in the hair, you can order it yourself, okay? Or in case you need me to do it for you, don't hesitate. Or you need other people to order it for you, I can recommend good people that can give you good hair. And that is it, okay? Thank you for switching in. I appreciate every one of you. You guys are loved. You guys are blessed. Thank you everyone for coming back to my YouTube channel. It's your Bianca Belletta Girls. May God in heaven bless my whole subscribers and the people that are about to subscribe and share and comment and like on this video. Even the highs you used to watch. God bless it for you. Thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for coming. And let me shift back so that you guys can be seeing everything concerning your baby girl. Yeah. Thank you for coming. The makeup of this easy look, the makeup, the tutorial is on my channel. You can get it there. Okay. Thank you for coming in. You know that I appreciate. I've always loved you all. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl. Stay tuned. Let's unbox this hair together. Okay. Here is the package here. Yeah. This is the package. I received it this morning, and this is evening, just I think after 6 now. Yeah, so that is it. This is 6 p.m. in the evening. Yeah. No gift. This is the bag of the hair. You see that 100% human hair, 100% human hair. And don't die. This very hair, I made the color myself. It was black. I turned it to this color. I hope you love it. I will be doing a video of how to color your hair, and yeah, I did it myself. I'll be doing a video of how to color your hair with this very hair that I received. So that is why I ordered it, because I wanted to do a video for it. Sorry for the noise I'm busting. So noise, you must hear noise. This is closure. Let's keep it aside. Yeah, these are how to treat the hair. This cap I already have. Last night I ordered many. This is 30 inches. Oh, this hair is so tiny. This is 30 inches, and this is 30 inches. Oh my god, I think I missed it. Oh my god, this hair was so delicate, like 30 inches. Oh, what have I done? Oh my god, I thought I missed it like 26, 28, and 30. I don't know why. I don't know why. I think there must be a reason for it. There must be a reason for it. Oh my god. The hair is somehow. Oh my god. Maybe it's this net. Yeah, I think this net is holding it to be something. little bit like strong. I need to wash it first and see. Yeah, it's a little bit strong, but yeah, yeah, yeah. You just like, don't know how to say it. Maybe after wetting it will be nice. Yeah, but the thing is so strong, like really strong. Yeah, I don't know. Like to color this hair would be so dangerous. I don't think so. Maybe I will just test some of it. So this is the hair here. It's beautiful. The store I normally ordered before is no longer online. So this one is from another store. So this is one of the bundles. Yeah, but it's okay. Or let me just let me wet it and see. I'm going to wet it so you guys can see. Let's see how it will look when wetting it. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah. Because it was, I think, because the hair is so dry. That is why, yeah. So I just give a test to it. Look at that. Ooh, it's beautiful. Now it's okay, yeah. Now you can see, yeah, there is different. Yeah, there is a different. The difference is clear, guys. Yeah, it's better now. Yeah, I can't wait to fix this hair. And the thing that I'm supposed to use, like the tools of fixing the hair, is on the way. I will have the patience, and then yeah, I think I just need to wet everything, then fix it. Yeah, or else it will be like strong. Yeah, so this is one. Just keep it here. Let's see the closure. No, before the closure, hold on. Oh my god. Hold on a bit. This is another one, yeah. Sorry for that noise. Yeah, sorry for the noise. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to mute it, but it's fine, so that you can see that I'm bossing them. Yeah, seeing is believing. So I need to wet everything, or else I'll be losing some hair. Yeah, there is a little bit of breakage. I won't lie. Yeah, look at that. So there is breakage. It's not like that my black hair. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to order from the same store, but I thought it's from the same store. So, but don't worry. This is how it is. Yeah. Just this way. Look at that. Yeah, this is 30 inches here. Yeah, this is 30 inches. Okay. So I'm going to wet everything. Okay. So as I was saying, guys, this is the third one. Yeah, I'm gonna wet everything. This 1, 2, and 3. This 3 bottle. I don't know. The thing is, look as if the thing will not be that full. I still need extra 2 again. I think I will still order another 2 of this or 3. Yeah. So that I need it. This one is just one side of hair. I didn't even know that. I thought that the thing would be full. Like, I think I need 5 bundles. Yeah, I need 5 bundles. 5 bundles will be okay. This is how it is. The longest, how it is. Okay. So this way. It's very, very long. It's okay. Then the longness, because it's coil, you can be seeing everything. It's okay, but yeah, they just 30 inches coil. There is a lady that said, "Oh, that hair is not 30 inches." You blind? So this is I hope you guys can see it, so that nobody will doubt me. No, that is not 30 inches. I just deleted that comment. Because a comment is not important. A comment is just so. So this is 1. seeing is believing, because some people, they love to attack. 2, 3. So you can see these are 30 inches. Because last time was like, oh, that is not 30 inches. Did I tell you all was 30? I only said 30, 28, and 26 inches. So that the closure, we need to see the closure. We need to see the closure. Okay? As I'm a boss, you need to smile. I can't just be serious for nothing sake. Just because of what? No. Let me make you guys to smile. This is the closure, yeah? Yeah, this is the closure. And the closure is just 3 with 3 frontal decili. I prefer closure because the frontal of the other hair is so terrible. Like, it's not that it's terrible, but it's not of my way. Yeah, I prefer this closure. And this closure is just, oh, I didn't even check it. Oh, I think the closure must be, oh, how many, I don't even know. Okay, 20. Can you see that? 20. The closure is just 20. So short. Very short. Imagine. It's too short. Too short. It's too short. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, closure, yeah, it's too short. It's supposed to hold that maybe, but there is no closure more longer than this, and that very short where I bought this hair. But it's okay, we'll manage it. Yeah, what I will do now, we'll just wet it, and after we'll be doing the how the hair look. So that is how we end the video. I will be showing you guys after fixing it. I will say, oh, this is the hair that I made review for, and there is it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Stay tuned. In fact, stay tuned. Okay, stay tuned and see the finishing of this very video of the hair review. Okay, so I'll be fixing it whenever I have the thing to fix the hair, the wig cap and everything, the mannequin head, and see, I will fix it, then do the finishing look for it, and that is it. So thank you for watching. I appreciate every one of you for watching, for stopping by, for your like and sharing out the video. Yeah, bye-bye. You know, I love to trick kiss to you guys, because you guys are so special. Bye. Keep watching for the finishing look. Okay, I did the review for this video, but I don't know what happened to the video. I lost it, so I just pray this video won't go out again. Oh, I don't know what is wrong with the light. The phone is just doing some character, but don't worry, let's just manage it before the phone will go off totally. So as I was saying, this very hair you are seeing on me, this is the final look of the hair. I've already did video for it. I just wanted to show you how it is. Okay, so I will stand up now, and for you to style this hair, you don't need any stress. You don't need to buy anything. The only money you need to spend on this very hair is just balsam. When I say balsam, your condition, like this very one, you can get it everywhere. Yeah, this one here, you just one arrow. You just one arrow, some seen it, and some places one arrow, some places not even up to one arrow. Believe me, you in case you get in touch with this product, you know what I'm talking about. This is the best so far. Remember, best so far. And mascara, there's something they call mascara to make your hair soft. I don't have it again. You know, when is your husband going for shopping, you know how it is. So this is the hair that is so bouncing, like the hair is bouncing. Look at that, look at that. Okay, so this is, I have the balsam in it. I already have it inside. Yeah, just put it and you press. Look at that. It's very good you use your hand to style it, but in case you just need those tiny wave, you need comb. Yeah, let me show you what I'm talking about. Like, you need comb to just finish it, or your big weave brush. You go like this. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing what I'm seeing, baby? Are you seeing it, Sissy? Are you seeing it, mommy? You know, it's your girl. She can't do what is not real. She can't fake anything. No, she don't fake anything. She will say the way it is and how it is. Okay, you just take a little bit of water inside by holding the hair this way, anyhow you want to wet it. Yeah, I've already wet this hair twice today. This hair can drink water. That is just the thing, other thing about it. Okay, so this hair can drink many water. The more you spray, the more the hair is so beautiful, the more the hair will be bouncing on your head. Okay, in case you need it, don't hesitate. My name's on IG is Bianca/makeover1. On Facebook, Bianca Beletta Guest. In case you need this or my membership, I can be dropping link for now. Okay, so I don't know what, because sometimes dropping link on videos when that video is not sponsored is not good. It's not good, because when I read guideline, they were like, okay, posting link of things that are not sponsored, you risk strike, you risk I don't know how to say it. It's not okay. So in case you need the hair, you can inbox me on my Facebook by Bianca Beletta Guest, or I will be doing it on my membership, because membership you can do anything for your people. As far as you're gonna say this video is not sponsored, this thing is not sponsored, but at the same time I'm just doing it for my membership. You drop the link there, YouTube will understand, because membership you give them out. Okay, so this is the hair here. This is how it is. I will just try and place it in a place whereby you guys can see it. Let me just go close to. Okay, so this is the hair here. Okay, I believe you guys are seeing it, because I don't know what's wrong with my camera, and my camera is just doing some character which I don't really like it. Okay, so this is the hair here. The hair is very long. When I say long, the hair is long. Okay, so look at that. Look at the height. You just done off my bumper. Yeah, I wear short something. I don't want my done off my to be showing. So I will insert some picture where the hair is. Okay, I will insert some picture to it in case you love it. Okay, you can just go for it. Okay, and this hair is very nice. The good part about it is you don't need any product. Just get your balsam that I showed earlier, and you spray it with water, just like what I did before, and you style it. Use your hand, or you can use your, just spray. After spray, you use your comb this way. Look at that. The thing will just be bouncing, and no breakage, like tangle free, and the hair is not like breaking. Should I say breaking? Yeah, the hair is not breaking. It's very nice, and it's very okay. In case you want to go for it, you are free to go for it. Okay, sorry for my English. Okay, so that is it. This is the way I can review it so far, and sorry in case the video is too long. Okay, but I just wanted to get all the details. Okay, in case you have hair like this, always wet your hair. The more you wet, the longer the hair will stay with you, and you will really enjoy it. Don't be stingy with the water. Don't be stingy with the balsam. Just a little bit, just a little drop inside, and you spray it on your hair. A little bit goes long ways of these products, which it is called balsam, which is a conditioner. It's a conditioner. You pour it inside, just little of it, then you spray it on your hair. It is the best. Even your natural hair, always spray it with water or a little bit of balsam. It makes the hair to be strong, soft, and easy to comb. I can testify for that. Okay, and it's not easy to break. Okay, so that is a bit easy when you are combing your natural hair or hair like this. Okay, thank you for watching. I know this video will be long, but manage it with me. Thank you. Okay, God bless you. Thank you for watching. Is your Bianca Beletta Girls. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to share the video, please. Just share to your social handles. Like, they see a beautiful girl like this, I believe they will be proud of you. Like, seeing a girl doing amazing things for our queens, you will appreciate. Okay, darling, try to share this video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. I just love it. Oh my god, I love it.